Hi everyone, today's video is taking place on a driving lesson. As you can see, my student is dealing with some stop-start traffic and then encounters a group of cyclists from behind. Have a look, see how he handles it, and then please answer his question in the comments.
Do we do like the F1 driver and get my markings as well, so I know exactly when the got plenty of time to know exactly when the 20 kicks in. I'm tempted to ask if you mind me sort of doing a bit of a challenge then on the way home.
Go ahead.
Can I do the toll road? Are you comfortable with me doing the toll road?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, happy to. Go ahead.
I'm not really happy with those guys, but there we go. That's why we check our mirrors before we move off.
That is.
Got more on the right side as well, but making me a touch nervous, lads. If you could just, thank you. Was that handled correctly? Like, it's a bit weird. I don't. What am I meant to do in that situation? Do I just stay steady, as I did? You know, just with that amount of cyclists coming through, or should I be stopping to let them past?
Please leave your answers in the comment section. I'd like to hear from drivers and cyclists as well, just so we can get a good idea of both sides. I will be releasing a bit more of the video in about a week's time, just to see if the comments run alongside my suggestions and what I say. To make sure you don't miss it, please like and subscribe. Thank you, and stay safe.